Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see each one of you guys be back again. So today, as you guys have read in the title, we're doing my hair. So this is my inspo and we're gonna attempt to do it today. So I just wanted to apologize for a bit because I don't think I'll be posting videos twice a week, maybe once every week, and I'll try to keep up. And like I'll also be posting shorts, so don't forget to check that out. And I just wanted to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share it so we could reach a better audience, like a bigger audience. And I just wanted to also remind you guys that don't forget to follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I don't have Twitter, but I I mostly use Instagram and TikTok, so don't forget to follow them. And thank you. And please watch the video till the end to see what I was able to do to my hair. Thank you. So this is day one of me doing my hair, and the first step is to prep the parting. So I was making sure I have the middle part right and making sure that I divided my head correctly. And now to the second step is parting like the on the sides. So I was seeing to make sure if I got the right color for my braids. So I bought this here on Amazon and I'm gonna put it in the description below. So yeah, it came in a packs of 8 and I was checking if it actually fits my hair color, and guys, it didn't. I was kind of sad, but we're gonna work with it. I don't know, but yeah, I was a bit disappointed in that moment, but I feel like I should have bought like a red-ish, I don't know, because I dyed my hair cooper, but it didn't dye cooper. It was like a bit orangey, but I don't know. I was kind of disappointed, but I was gonna work with it. So I had to see like how long it was, and it was 2 strands of hair. So since it was too long, guys, I had to cut it. It was way too long for what I was gonna work with. And I was also a bit worried because my head is pretty big and they only had like 8 packets. I was already prepared to buy the second one, but I was telling myself, let me see, like when it's finished, that's when I'm gonna order the next one. And that's what I did. So in the moment, I was just prepping my hair and making sure um it was, yeah, the right length. And we are done, y'all. I'm so happy of this. Like, I did everything. Sorry guys, I was only able to do this for day one, and that was already so much work. I was so tired. So yeah, it's day two, guys. I wasn't able to film how I like braided the other side, so this is a little tutorial on how I do my braids. I start by adding some gel, braiding gel on my hair, and then I do a little braid on the bottom. So you just twist it a couple of times, and then you take the braiding hair. I was doing knotless braids, so that's why I'm doing it like that. And then you keep adding the French curls, just a small amount, and you keep doing that till you reach the end. You take another strand and then you add it, and you keep going, guys. It's That's the best method that I think I use every time. So that's what I always do. I always do knotless braid. I feel like it's less painful, and I feel like the outcome is always nice, so I love that. Keep adding the hair till you get the size that you want. That's all I could say, and then you keep going. And yeah. Okay guys, another tip. So when you're doing the knots at the end, make sure that you have super glue. It's really really important, or else it's gonna unravel and you don't want that. I bought these super glue from Dollarama. It was like $1, I think two, but you just put a small amount towards the knot, guys. It's really really important. If you don't have super glue, make sure you just buy it, because like these braids, they're so like they're very slippery, so the braids unravel if you don't put any super glue, guys. And yeah, keep watching. This is me trying to finish the front, and I was done, guys. Finally done with the front, guys. It was so long and tiring. I know you guys can't see that, but it took me so long, at least 4 hours. And yeah, now we're about to start the big game, the back, guys. The back is the most challenging part of everything. I was done with the front, which was great, but then the back is where all the work has to be done. I don't know what my camera was doing at this point, but I don't know, like I was doing the back. Yeah, I was watching Superstore while doing my braids, guys. It's so funny. I laughed so much watching it. I watched like 2 seasons, because I remember last time when I was doing my other braids, last time I was watching, I think I watched the 4 seasons, and this time I watched from like I think half of the 4th season all the way to 6, and I'm still not done. So I think I'll watch that when I do my braids another time. But yeah, I was still doing the back, guys. That was like it was so tiring. I was literally doing this at 9 p.m. in my bathroom. But guys, you gotta do what you gotta do. I wanted those braids, and I'm gonna get them. And I think it took me so long because the braids were so tiny. This was me on day 3, guys. I couldn't do my braids during the day, so I had to do it at night. This was me doing my braids. I was braiding my hair the whole night, guys. The whole night. I started braiding my hair at 10 p.m. in the at night, because I wasn't able to do my braids during the day. I was babysitting, guys. It was really really challenging. So I was braiding my hair at 10. I was doing my hair at 10 p.m. till 5. And are you guys ready to see the results? Ta-da! I'm finally done at 8 a.m. y'all. 8 a.m. I was so exhausted. I was tired, but I was done, guys. I just wanted to be done, and yeah, I was finally done with this hairstyle, thank God. And a little moment in the sun. Hey guys, we are finally done with my hair. I am so tired, but we made it. It took me 3 days, almost 4. I didn't want it to go to 4 days, so I tried my best, but this is the end result, guys. I'm in the bathroom, so don't mind. This is the back. That's how it looks. Yeah, it's not the best time to have this type of hair, because it's very hot in the moment, and I feel like it's gonna be very sweaty. I'm gonna be very sweaty after, but I love it. I love the curls. Plus, I didn't use everything. I had like 3 packets remaining. When I first got the hair, I was so scared. I was like, I don't think this is gonna be enough for me, because like you guys saw the bag, I was literally panicking, but it was enough. It was more than enough. It's the best thing ever, and I feel like if I did it longer, it would have still been enough. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and bye.